Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to download AnyDesk software on macOS Monterey and how to set up unattended access on AnyDesk software. So first of all, I am going to download AnyDesk software. Open web browser, type google.com, press enter, type in Google search bar download AnyDesk for Mac. Click on first official website link anydesk.com. Let's click on download now. Now downloading is started. AnyDesk software. Our AnyDesk software is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click on Downloads. Here it is, our AnyDesk software, anydesk.dmg. Right click on it. Select open with disk image mounter. Let's drag AnyDesk to application. Let's close on it and close downloads. Click on Launchpad. Click on AnyDesk. Click on Open. Now our AnyDesk software is installed successfully on macOS Monterey. Here it is, AnyDesk number. Now I'm going to set up unattended access on this AnyDesk software. Let's click on Configure. AnyDesk, would you like to record this computer screen? Open System Preferences. Click Security and Privacy. Click the lock to make changes. It is required authentication password. Type password. Click Unlock and click AnyDesk. AnyDesk will not be able to record the content of your screen until it is quit. I will choose later and click the lock, prevent further changes. Let's close security and privacy. Now click on set password. Set the password to unattended access. This password is too weak. Now I'm going to set new password. Click on change password. Now the password is set. Let's click on close. So now I'm going to check our unattended access setup. Go to another machine, Windows 11. Here it is, already downloaded and installed AnyDesk software. Now over 793.794 93794 280. Yes. Connection in progress. Please wait. It is required password to authorization. And click on log in automatically from now on. Click OK. So it will showing over Mac machine. So viewers, in this video, you can learn how to download and install AnyDesk software on macOS and how to set up unattended access on AnyDesk software. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.